All right, it is time to give the Y block its first actual start. Got all the fluids in. I have discovered a few leaks. There's a freeze plug in the top of this passenger side head that has a little hole in it. So we get to fix that later, but I'm gonna go ahead and at least crank it over and see if we can get it to start and run it for a minute. And then we'll go from there, but that shouldn't be too bad. That's just drain the coolant, replace the plug, and then move on. So we're gonna set the camera up and see how this goes. Okay, so as you saw in those previous clips, I had a little bit of an issue. I made an assumption because of the firing order that the distributor also spins in the same direction as the flathead, but in the Y block it's actually counterclockwise, so it's no shock that it was going all kinds of crazy because plugs were wired in the wrong direction, and I also had top dead center pointing in the wrong direction. So we should hopefully good. We're gonna try this now and see what happens. I'm hoping for a good start because I had everything else going, so we'll see what happens. Success. Obviously, I still have a lot to tune in. I got to get fluids back in it because I drained it because of the leaks that I just fixed. So I just wanted to see if I could get it started. Really happy. It actually sounds really good for a, you know, a garage build, rehone, and all of those things. So hopefully this is all good. So we'll see what happens from here, but I got to go for now. I'm going to work on this the rest of the weekend into the weekend and try and get it dialed in. See if the carburetor has issues and oil pressure, all those things. Just make sure everything's good to go and check for leaks, and basically just try to keep running it in on the stand before I drop it in the truck, because if you've ever worked on an F100, they are deep and a pain to get to, and I really didn't want to have to figure out issues with it deep down inside the truck. So hopefully this is a good start.